So we have a homework problem here. Set up an equation and solve each problem. The square of a number equals 9 times that number. Find the number. So ito yung mga problems na tinatawag na translation. These are called translations problem. Translations. Kasi ito mga English word, then translate natin siya sa math language. So, let's do that. Get my pen here. Okay. So, the square of a number equals. So, we see that equals. So, we know there's an equal sign. Equals 9 times that number. So, we let x is equal to the number we're looking for. So first let's let x is equal to the number that we're looking for. So let x is equal to the number. So see this equal, so we know that there will be an equal sign. So the square of a number, the number is x, right? So we have an x here, and then they said that a square, so there's a square there, equals 9 times that number. So 9 times the number, so 9x. So now they want us to solve, so we solve this problem. So we put this 9x on the other side, so we have an x squared minus 9x is equal to 0. So we factor out x, so x minus 9 is equal to 0. So we have x is equal to 0, and also x minus 9 is equal to 0. X is equal to a plus 9. Mommy! Yes, it's okay. She can eat. She can eat, baby. So here's your answer. 2 answers. And then number 2. Suppose that 4 times the square of a number equals 20 times that number. What is the number? So we let x is equal to the number we're looking for. So, quiet please, baby. Suppose that 4 times the number. So, suppose that 4 times the square of a number. So 4 times the square of the number, so we know there's a square, then there's an equal sign, equals 20 times that number, so 20 times x. So now we have to solve this number. So we put this one at 20x into the other side. 4x squared minus 20x is equal to 0. So we factor out x. No, we can factor out 4x because there's a 4 here, common factor. So 4 and then x minus, no, we factor out 4x. So now we have 5 left is equal to 0. So now we have 4x is equal to 0, and then x minus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 and x is equal to I plus 5. So here's your 2 answers. And then the third one, twice the square of the sum of a number. Mommy. And 3 is 98. Find the number. So, Mommy. Yes, mommy, baby. Mommy. Quiet. Yes, baby. Oh, I see. Yes, close it. Close, baby. I know there's a. So twice the square of the sum of a number and 3. So we let x is equal to the number we're looking for.
We forgot this one.
Is equal to the number. So let's work in the inside. So the square of the sum. So we know sum is a plus. So we know there will be a plus of a number. So that's x plus and 3. So x plus 3. Now they said that this is a square. And then twice that. So 2 times that. And then this the word is, it means equal sign. In math, it means equal sign. So if you don't see the word equal, in this problem, they said equal. But if you see this word is, it means the same thing. It means equal. So it's equal to 98. So now we solve this problem. So let's expand this one. So we have 2 times x plus 3 times x plus 3. This is equal to x. So let's expand it. X plus 3 times x plus 3 is equal to 98. Now we have 2 times x squared plus 3x plus 3x plus 9 is equal to 98. And then we have 2 times x squared plus 3x. 6x plus 9 is equal to 98. So now we distribute the 2, and we got 2x squared plus 12x plus 18 is equal to 98. So now we put this 98 on this side. So minus 98 and plus 18. So we have 2x squared plus 12x plus 18 minus 98 is equal to 0. Or we have 2x squared plus 12x minus 18. 98 is equal to minus 40 is equal to 0. So now we solve this problem. So let's go on this side. So let's solve here. So we have 2x squared plus 12x minus 40. 12x ba to? Yes. So now we factor out 2. So because there's a common factor here, 2. So 2 times x squared plus 6x minus, no, this is something wrong. 18 minus 98 is 80. Sorry. 98 and 18 is 80. So we have now 80 here. Sorry. Typo. Guilty as charged. So 2x plus 12x is equal to 80. So x squared plus 6x minus 40. So let's double check. So 80. Okay, is equal to 0. So now we factor out this one. So let's try to factor. So an x and an x. So a 10 and a 4. So a 10 and a 4 will do it. Plus 10 and then minus 4. Did we factor it correctly?
Mommy?
Yes.
It's
okay. It's okay, just put it down. So x squared minus 4x plus 10x minus 40. Yes, it checks. So we have now this factor. So x plus 10 is equal to 0, or x is equal to a minus 10. And the other answer would be x minus 4 is equal to 0, or x is equal to a 4. So here's your two answers. Medyo mahaba nga lang yung proseso ng mga I made a lot of mistakes. Sorry.